Good morning, friends. This special video has been created on demand. So, myself, Muhammad Yunus Khan, basically from Gulbarga, Karnataka. So, I am in Vestige Marketing Private Limited since last 2 years. So, presently, I am Star Director. So, let me introduce our company in front of all my dear friends. Vestige has inception in the year 2004 on 2nd of June. Initially we had only two products which were noni and glucosamine. So company started with three people, Mr. Gautam Bali sir, Deepak Sood and Kanwar Bir Singh sir. So initially 6 people joined Vestige and the annual turnover for that particular year 2004-5 was 5 crore rupees. So eventually the company has grown up to 3000 crore rupees. So presently we are in India and abroad in 7 countries. We are in Dubai, Bahrain, Bangladesh, Nepal, Saudi Arab, Ghana and Thailand. So this is a company where we can start with zero investment. Totally we have 9 ways of income in Vestige Marketing Private Limited. The first income is MRP and DP. Whenever we join Vestige Marketing Private Limited, we are joining through our document like Aadhaar card, driving license or voter card. Once we get associated with Vestige Marketing Private Limited, for more information you can call on my number 9886 784 790. So initially you can join through creating your ID and whatever product you purchase from Vestige Marketing Private Limited, those products you will avail on distributor price. So there will be a difference of MRP and DP for somewhere around 10 to 20% difference will be there. So it is the first income. The second income will be accumulative performance bonus. Accumulative performance bonus is whenever you purchase product of 30 to 35 rupees from Vestige Marketing, you will gain 1 point value. So that point value will be multiplied by 18 and it will be converted to business value. From business value you will get the percentage from 5% cashback to 11% highest cashback. So accumulative performance bonus is 5% to 11%. Once we start our business, initially we are liable of 5% cashback. When we expand our team, as we grow our hierarchy by accumulating all the points we have achieved individually and through team. So we will get the hierarchy of 8%, 10% and 11%. Thereafter we will get the third income of the company, that is director bonus. It will be only for director, 4% director bonus. So once we start our business with 6 people in our team, in your success lies our success is the concept of Vestige Marketing. So thereafter when one of the 6 people get qualified as a bronze director in your team, you will be elevated at silver director. And at silver director level you will get another 3 incomes, that is business building bonus, leadership overriding bonus and travel fund. Then one more distributor is made as a director in your 6 people. So 2 directors are qualified in your team, then you are gold director. Again you are at the 6 incomes. Then when one more person gets qualified as a director in your team, so all the 3 will maintain and you maintain for 3 months, you will become star director and your car fund will start. Up to 80,000 EMI car you can purchase. Then 4th director you are getting qualified in 6 people, then you will be a diamond director. Thereafter 5th and 6th person gets qualified as a bronze director in your team, all the 6 directors are there, you will become crown director and your house fund will start. That is the 8th income. Then again you will become universal crown, adding 2 more distributors to director. Then you will have 12 directors, you will become double crown. So thereafter double crown and double universal crown director you will get elite club fund 2%, which is capping of 20 lakh rupees. House fund will be capping of 1 lakh rupees. So this is all about 9 ways of income in Vestige Marketing Private Limited. Thank you. Wish you wealth. If any doubts, please call me. Thank you.